And now we're going to hear next for an idea that might fit and tie in with Gabriel's. This is our last presenter of the evening. It's Brian Tambasco, and he's going to talk about changing the way we think about building our homes today.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you again. Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Good evening. My name is Brian Tambasco, and I'm president of Advanced Aluminum and project manager for Technology Advanced Developers, creators of TDA Homes, Technology Advanced Design Homes. Please allow me to tell you how Technology Advanced Developers is going to fire up Citrus by changing the way we build homes today, not just right here in Citrus County, but all over the world. How? We're going to think outside the box.
I'm ready.
Let's start talking about how we build a traditional home today. First, we create this 200-degree atmosphere called an attic. Everybody knows what that is, that place up above that nobody wants to go in there and work, just gets up there and sweats. In a traditional home, we build this 200-degree attic and make our walls out of hollow block and wood, and then we put air conditioning equipment in that attic to make a 72-degree atmosphere. Where does that make any sense? In a TAD home, we don't create a 200-degree atmosphere. The entire envelope is adjacent to the 90-degree average weather. There is no 200-degree attic. We're only maintaining the atmosphere in the 72-degree living space. Traditionally, we build up wood, block, and walls, creating airspace for insulation while allowing for moisture and pest infiltration, which eventually turns out to, as you'll see, mold, mildew, pest damage, etc. If we keep doing what we're doing, we're just going to keep getting what we're getting. We need to think differently. We need to start thinking out of the box. In a TAD home, the box or the envelope of the entire home is made of SIPS construction, adjacent to the average 90-degree exterior temperature. No 200-degree attic. All utility components are within the shell of the home. So now again, we're maintaining that 72-degree environment. Advanced Aluminum site builders of TDA Homes takes the traditional structural insulated panel systems construction design one step further by adapting to our environment using aluminum sheeting with components of structural insulation to make a virtually wood-free home. Here's a sample of one being framed right now. Our shell home with SIPS construction, and you can see the interior walls are steel studs, virtually no wood at all. The only wood is the trim in the cabinets in the home. TDA homes are finished with all the standard exterior finishes, stone, stucco, etc., and the interior finishes, drywall, carpentry, etc. So when you get the home done, you basically will never know that it was a home built without block or wood. Here's a picture of our TAD home, spec home nearing completion. As you can see, the installation of shingles, stucco, and siding, etc. Traditional exterior finishes of this home are scheduled, and this home is scheduled to be complete in November. Our corporation has purchased a 12-lot subdivision located centrally in Homosassa, 1 block off 19 near Walmart. We are presently creating a spec home to show the reality of our TAD homes. TAD homes are all custom designed to owner specifications that can range from a tiny home to a 6,000 square foot mansion with an average of $100 per square foot turnkey price, more than reasonable in today's market with the extra benefits of a TDA home. So now, how are we going to fire up Citrus? We have 11 more lots to build on. Each home brings in $60,000 to $80,000 into our local community for each home. There's 11 lots we have to offer there right next to our model home. And then right down the road we have another 39 lot subdivision. So we're ready to build some homes and put some money into our economy. Here's a picture coming up of our mini model home. We bring to many community events. We were just at the Oktoberfest. And we bring it around to introduce our TAD homes that are modern, efficient, long-lasting, and comfortable, yet economically affordable for all generations to come. Here you'll see some frequently asked questions about, but the most important question you should ask is, why a TDA home over a traditional home? Well, because it all makes sense. Common sense that anyone can realize, not just a builder or anybody. Common sense has turned into savings because TDA homes are so tight, they're using efficiency, utility components that are installed within the envelope of the home result in 70% lower utility costs. Please feel free to contact me if you're interested in firing up citrus and supporting our community, our environment, and a better way of living for generations to come. Thank you, and thank you for your attention.